Welcome. If you run a business and want to connect with your customers directly on Instagram via WhatsApp, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll show you how to add your WhatsApp business phone number to your Instagram profile. Let's get started. 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your business account. 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. 3. Next, tap on Edit Profile at the top of the screen. This will open the editing options for your profile. 4. Scroll down a little and tap on Contact Options. Here, you'll find options to manage your business contact information. Tap on WhatsApp Business Number. This is where you'll link your WhatsApp business number to your Instagram account. 6. Now, you'll be prompted to select your WhatsApp number. Or, if you prefer, you can enter a different number that you want to use for your business. 7. After selecting your number, tap Send Code at the bottom of the screen. Instagram will send a verification code to your WhatsApp number. 8. Finally, verify your account by entering the code you received. Once verified, your WhatsApp business number will be added to your Instagram profile. And that's it. You've successfully linked your WhatsApp business number to your Instagram profile. Now, customers can easily reach you through WhatsApp directly from your Instagram page. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business and Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.